Bill of Rights discussion board. Watch the attached Bill of Rights video and then answer the following questions in the discussion. Be sure to respond to at least 2 of your classmates for full credit. Your answers should follow the PEA method. Notice that you can also watch with subtitles. You should have at least 1 solid paragraph for each question. Each question should have at least 3 pieces of evidence, which could be a fact, a direct quote, or some other piece of support. You can find the directions for the PEA method in the Start Here folder, and then go into the Student Resources folder. It is also linked below. Question 1. What was Madison's role in the creation of the Bill of Rights? Do you agree with his actions or not, and why or why not? Question 2. What would our lives look like today if we did not have the Bill of Rights? Do you think we would still have the same protections under the law? Why or why not? Remember that when you respond to your classmates, you need to explain why you agree or disagree with them. Use at least 2 specific examples from the video to back up your assertion, and use details and explanations to make your point clearly. Please do your post as soon as you can. Do not wait for the weekend or later to do your posts. I will take up to 15% credit off for posts that are done too late in the week to give a decent amount of time to classmates to respond. Also note that you will be posting on this discussion board before you can see your classmates' posts. So don't worry if it seems that you are the first one posting. Let me know if you have any questions. Links to the Bill of Rights video, links to the PEA method checklist on Google Docs.